Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to delete a user profile to fix account problems on Windows 10 PC. If you are experiencing multiple issues such as a start menu, Microsoft Edge are not functioning correctly, it's likely that your user profile data is corrupted. You can attempt to resolve this by deleting the user profile that allows Windows 10 to establish a new one during sign-in without affecting your user account. To do this, ensure you have logged out from that user account and then open Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R key on the keyboard. Here you need to type System Properties Advanced and then click on the OK button. Under Advanced tab, so, go to this one User Profiles section and click on this one Settings button. Here you will find all the profiles that exist on your Windows 10 PC. Select the profile that are creating issues and click on this one Delete button. Click Yes to confirm. Click OK. Click OK. Once you have deleted the user account, sign out from the current user account and sign in back to your account in which you are facing the issues. It should resolve the problems you are getting before.